Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video we're going to talk about how to move the camera around the actor. So how do you do this? Well, it first starts in auditions and a screen test for the actor that you hand that is typewritten to the talent. As they're reading it, you can simply take your camera or your director's viewfinder and move it around the actor's face, around their body. Also, do not forget the architecture around in the location. This is also very most important, especially to experimental horror that I'm deeply interested in and will start filming. So utilize those two together. Each talent does have in their face and in their body elements that will make your film exciting. It only takes one scene, just a moment, to make your movie exciting. And each actor and talent does have that to provide to your film. Also, you want to make sure that when you're doing this, capture those elements, because your main progress in the film and your bottom line for your movie is to make it exciting, get the film in the can, and get it marketed. So you can make money and put that in your own pocket there. Also, make sure you do pay your actors. This will be repeat business for your future films. It will make your actors excited even to work with you, of course, by getting paid. So again, take your camera, move it around the actor, capture those elements in their face and their body movements. Also, you don't have to rent so much camera equipment. Become familiar with your cameras, how to repair them a bit, even on set. And you can also build your own jib cranes. You want to do that? Rather than renting stuff. Go to the hardware store, buy your equipment, and you don't have to rent any jib cranes. Build your own. Alright? Hope this helps. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and put a like on my videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.